Welcome to this study on nature meditation. Take a few moments to settle in, to set your intention that for this time, to allow yourself to be just as you are, to connect inwards to the self. And by moving your attention inwards, allowing nature to reveal itself to you. Letting the body move into a comfortable position where you can sense the tensions of the day washing away with the sounds of the river moving down and with gravity. As you allow the tensions, the tightness of the body to move down and to sense yourself held and supported. You may choose to close your eyes for this experience. Listen and trust that whatever the experience is, it is exactly right for you. Take a few moments to connect with the sense of your breath that moves in and out. And as you relax into this experience, you might state to yourself silently or out loud, I am here. I belong here. I am safe. I am steady. And gently, without force, you might bring to mind the image of a rock sitting amidst a flowing river. As the river and its currents flow, push and pull against this rock, the rock remains. It remains steady, secure. It remains in one place as the currents of the river wash over, move around. You may imagine this same rock throughout the different seasons and cycles of life, remaining steady amidst the heavy currents of the spring. Remaining present through the calmer waters of late summer. Remaining steady throughout the rainfall of the fall and the stillness of winter. No matter how the currents change, the rock remains steady and strong. You might invite in the idea that you are the rock. A part of you is like the rock. No matter the change, the emotions that flow, the sense of a push and pull, the currents of life. Sense that part of you that remains steady, solid, a place of refuge. You allow the feelings of the changing currents of life to wash over you, to move around you. But through it all, you remain steady and strong. Sensing yourself, your whole self, like the rock, a place of refuge, a place of safety and security, a place of steadiness, allowing the mind to become more steady, more still. As you sense yourself being just as you are and belonging. Continue to invite a sense of steadiness to remain. As you bring attention to the sounds of the currents from the river flowing, as you move attention to your own breath, your own life force within, that moves in and out, around and through, the pulse of life that washes over you and in you. Hold space, a place of steadiness, for allowing yourself to just simply feel what is here, what is present inside the self at this moment. Inviting in a blanket of gratitude, a blanket of gratitude to wash over you, to encompass you, to build from inside your own eternal spring. Thanking yourself for this time dedicated to the study on nature. And in your own time, move awareness back to the body, to the space you are in. Taking as much time as you need.